Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can voice chat in Minecraft with your friends or whatever they are. First of all, there is not one particular way to talk with your friends. You can, for example, use Discord, for example, and still talk with your friends and it's while doing whatever you want to do. For example, you can send them your Discord chat or room or server, and they will be with you in the server, and you can voice chat in Discord while playing the game. The second method, which is going to your Minecraft, and there is actually two ways. So let's go first to CurseForge and then go to Bucket Plugins, just like that, and here search if voice chat exists. So as you can see, there is this simple voice chat which is updated every single version, so you will have any version of the game in here, and here there's some information about it. You have to have the Fabric or Forge or Quilt version of this mode installed on your client in order to use the voice chat mode. So you'll have to have it installed as mode and as plugin. There's also, if you wanted to download it as a mode, you can just go to here. Instead of plugins, you go to mods and then you go here, search for voice chat again, and wait a little bit, and here there is multiple options of voice chat. There's simple radio, replace voice chat, and again this one which is we saw before. There is some other version like Fabric. Here's the Forge, here's the Fabric. There's a bunch of versions, 1.19.3, 1.18.2. What else you can do? You can put it in your server, and just like that it will be working for you and for your friends. Here is the download version for all the versions of Minecraft, Fabric, Forge, and Quilt. And yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.